Realpage Onesite is a property management software designed to help real estate professionals handle leasing, accounting, and resident services in one platform. Upon logging in, users are greeted with a dashboard displaying key metrics like occupancy rates, rent collection, and maintenance status. The platform allows managers to oversee unit availability, resident details, and lease information, including creating new leases, renewing existing ones, and automating rent reminders. It also streamlines maintenance management by tracking requests and assigning them to staff. One site supports online rent payments, document uploads, and tenant communication through a portal, while also offering reporting tools to analyze performance and identify trends. Users appreciate its integration with other RealPage tools, robust reporting features, and ability to simplify operations for large property portfolios. On the downside, some note a learning curve and a slightly dated user interface. Overall, OneSite is a reliable solution for streamlining property management, particularly for larger teams seeking an all-in-one system.